After a tree trimming, I save a lot of stray branch. Mark the length. Start to cut off to the size I want. Use my only tool, table saw. I'm only an amateur who loves to working on the wood. Every project I work here, it's my first time. Step by steps. It's only in my head. No drawing, no plans, just do it. Okay, I hope I got enough. I use a screw and a rope to make my structure stable. This is the layout that I was thinking about. Then only rope to tie them up. I know, it's very unprofessional. I only wanted to use the tree branch that I saved to make a shoe rack for my backyard working shoes. Done. Now the other side. Alright, I make it quick. That's it. Pretty stable for the shoes. What do you think? Looks good to me. Take a close look. Not bad actually. Not fancy, but almost no cost to me. Time to put the shoes on. Thank you for watching.